Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, east central Cobb County in north-central Georgia, west central Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Alpharetta, or near Peachtree Corners, moving southwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peachtree Corners, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Alpharetta, Dunwoody, Dorville, Mount Bethel, and Mechanicsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.